Murithi, apisa mar KDF mane owito ngimane kaachiel kod jamadar Francis Omondi Ogola koro ne oket e kar yueyo mare mogik odiochieng' ma kawuono. Senior Sajent Kinywa ne oiki e dalagi mayudore Kirinyaga e kar chung' od bura ma Kirinyaga Central. Anyuola kod osiepe ne oyuage kaka jalno mane tiyo matek kendo ne nigi luor e kind oganda. Jolweny wetene bende ne opake kaka apisa mane tije ber kendo ne orito chike mag tich ahinya. Kinywa ne owito ngimane e masira mar kalapapla. Oweyo min ode Grace Wambui kod nyithindo 2.
We had many development plans. I miss your companionship and creativity. Fundi. May God grant you eternal peace. Rest well, my husband John.
The late Senior Sajent John Murithi diligently served in the Kenya Defence Forces and in particular the Kenya Air Force for 16 years. 152 days. His loyalty, devotion to duty, selflessness, and commitment saw him rise through the ranks. On behalf of the Ministry of Defense and all the members of the Kenya Defence Forces, and on my own behalf, I convey my sincere and heartfelt condolences to the late Senior Sergeant John Muriithi's family.
We gather here with heavy hearts, but also with profound gratitude for the service, sacrifice, and unwavering dedication to duty that was demonstrated by Senior Sergeant Kinywa. He was not only a brave soldier, but a loved son, spouse, sibling, and a friend. His departure is indeed a great loss to his family, to the entire nation, and Kirinyaga County in particular.